Hey y'all, it's Ebony and I am about to show you how to achieve this curly hair look. So first of all, sis, this is a wig. Yes, a wig. I do make wigs on my website. So this is the Malaysian Kinky curly wig with a frontal. And all I'm going to do is put that on and throw it back. All right, so I just placed the unit on my head. This is freshly washed. Now, a lot of people like to say that frontal wigs are glueless, but honestly, I like to say frontal wigs are only about 90% glueless. And the reason why I say that is because it's only glueless from that point to that point. But once you get to the ear tab area, it always lifts. So technically you can't say that frontal units are 100% glueless if the ear tabs always lift up, but there is a way around that so that you are able to wear your wig glueless. Like, I don't know, I like to wear my wigs glueless. I like to remove them and take them off every night, and I don't like putting any glue or anything on my head because it breaks my forehead out. So what I'm doing right now, I'm just figuring out where I want to part my hair, and I decided on a side part. All right, and then now I'm just going to pull out some baby hairs. That way, you know, I don't know. I like baby hairs. Baby hairs are completely optional, but I like baby hairs. Now, my favorite product to use on baby hair is foam. I feel like foam really sets the hair down, and not only that, it allows you to wear your unit glueless, right? Because foam is not glue. It's going to make sure those baby hairs stick to your head, and it's going to make sure your ear tabs stay down and don't lift. All right, so once you're done with your baby hairs, you definitely want to lay them down with one of our edge wraps. So go ahead and tie that around your head. Well, I went ahead and tied one around my head. And then I want the top of my hair to lay flat. Now, all I did prior to putting this unit on, I washed it and let it air dry. So now I just want to make sure those roots are nice and flat. So I'm combing it out. And because I combed it out, I need to redefine the hair so that the curls can come back. So all I'm doing is spraying it with water. There's nothing else in that bottle but water. And then I'm just going to detangle the hair from tips all the way up to root. Well, not root, all the way up to the lace. And then I'm going to add some foam on top of it because, like I said, I love foam, and foam is going to allow it to get nice and flat because I don't want it to be bulky up top. All right, so now that I'm done getting everything to look the way that I want it to look, I'm going to tell y'all this. It is key not to touch the hair while it is drying, because if you touch the hair is going to get big and big and big and big and big and big and big. And I love big hair, but that's not the look I'm going for today. But also, before I started letting it dry, I did spray some water on the ends and brushed it through because I wanted the ends to be very defined and to be curly. I wanted the hair to be curly all the way to the very end. Now, I will say this. People ask all the time, how do you know if you have good curly hair? Good curly hair, the ends should be straight. I mean, not straight. The ends should be curly all the way to the very ends. If it's straight at the ends, if the ends of your curly hair is straight, that's not good, sis. That's not good. Right, so I let the hair sit and dry for a little bit, and then all you have to do once you're done, just remove your edge scarf, and now you have the final look. Isn't it so pretty? Of course I'm gonna say that. I mean, of course I'm gonna say it, but if y'all think this hair is really cute, drop a heart down below. Let me know how y'all feel about this hair, and would you wear this hair? Is this hair that you will wear? Let me know. All feedback is appreciated. Thanks for watching.